Logging out of Line might seem simple, but it can lead to data loss. In this video, we'll share key tips on how to safely carry over your Line account to avoid losing important data. Part 1. Things to do before carrying over Line account. Option 1. Register an email address. Open Line, tap the icon, and go to Settings Account. Select Email Registration. Enter your email and passcode, then tap OK. Check your email for the verification code, enter it, and hit Register. Option 2. Link your Facebook account to Line. Open Line, tap the icon, then go to Settings Account. Find the Facebook option and tap Link to connect. Part 2. Data that can and cannot be carried over. Carried over. Friends list, profile settings, timeline posts, keep data, albums, purchased items, and app data. Not carried over. Chat history unless saved, wallpapers, notification tones, and coins when switching OS. Part 3. 2 ways to carry over Line account. Method 1. Carry over Line account with email address. Step 1. Launch Line application on your device and tap on Login. Step 2. Type in the email address and password that you have registered and set on the previous device and tap on OK. Method 2. Carry over Line account with Facebook. Open Line and tap Login. Select Login with Facebook. Enter your Facebook username and password to log in and carry over your Line account. Part 4. What if you forget the password while carrying over account? Tap Forgot your password. At Login, enter your registered email and tap OK. Check your email for a reset link. Use the new password to log into Line.